Hello everyone, I'm Charuta. Welcome to Urja Wellness and Joy. Today I'm presenting quick angel card reading for you all. This is a general card reading, general guidance reading. If you're watching this video now, this reading is applicable to you and to your current life situations. Please note that this reading is timeless, alright? So anytime in the future, you can come back to this video and do the reading again. Alright, so what you have to do is you need to pick your card. I'll give you few seconds. Just close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Just ask angels what message you would like to give me now. Right? Intuitively, instinctively, pick your card. Now let's check the message. All those who selected this beautiful butterfly card, let's check the messages. Breaking free. Alright, so guys, if you feel that external situations are to be blamed for whatever you're going through right now, or if you feel that someone else is creating hindrance to your success, or if you feel that your challenges or problems are too complicated or too big to get resolved, then angels are telling you clearly that none of these is true, guys. Okay, there is a way out. You will soon experience breakthrough, and it's time for you to break free from your own thoughts. All right, angels are assuring you that nothing external is stopping your progress, nothing external is creating challenges or problems in your life, but your own thoughts. So think more positive thoughts, or just align your energies to what you really want to experience in life. Angels are again telling you that you can have everything that you are desiring. You can be the way you really want to be in life. Alright, you are free to do or choose anything that you really want to do or choose in your life, guys. Alright, so just stop playing victim card. Just take responsibility of your own happiness, of your own life, and pray more. Alright, how about you asking this question: what will it take for magical, miraculous, beautiful solution to appear in my life? I'll repeat this question: what will it take for a beautiful, magical, miraculous solution to appear in my life with total ease? Please write down this question, or you can just ask this, direct this question to the universe, and let's see what shows up in your life. So guys, message is very clear that stay more positive and stay more focused on what you want. All those who selected this card, let's check the messages. Patience. Your dreams are blooming more rapidly than you realize. Still, they need nurturing and patience. Alright, I'm actually sensing this energy, guys. Oh my god, again I have to wait. How long? It is so frustrating, it is so tiring, and it is so boring. But angels are saying that this situation is like you have done everything that you could do, and you have been taking efforts and action also. So it's like you have sown seeds and you are awaiting harvest. So what is the wisest thing that one could do in this situation is to wait. But this waiting period need not be boring. You can make this period interesting, by indulging in activities that you truly enjoy. You can beautify your surroundings, because it will help energies to shift your mood will shift. You must make your happiness as a priority in your everyday life. All right, and do not worry. Instead of worrying, pray more, because angels are assuring you that you have placed order, and universe and angels are working behind the scenes to give you what you have asked for. So outcome is very positive. One day you're gonna get what you have asked for. But it is like if you want manifestation to happen faster, then definitely you must align your energies to what you have asked for. Creative visualization technique will work like magic in this period. All right, so guys, don't give up. Don't even think of giving up. All right, just hold on. You need patience, but again, you have to shift your energies every day. You need to be more happy, joyful, enthusiastic, and energetic in your every. All those who selected this blue card, let's check the messages. Show appreciation. All right, so guys, if you're taking people in your life for granted, it is time for you to appreciate them. How would you feel if you receive genuine compliment from someone? Obviously, it will make you feel valued, respected, and you will feel like doing more for that person. So it is time for you to offer that experience to someone in your life. Do not take people for granted. All right. If you cannot express your thoughts or feelings verbally, how about you writing it down? I cannot emphasize enough how powerful this practice is. Daily you must write down minimum 10 points that you are feeling grateful about. All right. So simple things like I'm grateful for the phone that I have in my life, the air, water, the food, the clothes, everything. Do not take anything for granted. Also, there is a message that you need to be gentle with your own self. Do not criticize yourself harshly. You must appreciate what you have done till date. All right. Yes, there is a long way to go, but do not criticize yourself. Be gentle with yourself. Also, it is time for you to appreciate. Stop complaining, stop focusing on what is bad in your life, what is not working in your life. You need to consciously divert your attention, and you need to consciously focus your thoughts on things that are really good in your life, which are really good, which are really working in your favor, and which are very nice, which are making you feel lighter. By doing that, what happens is that if you hold the energy of gratitude, law of attraction will ensure that you get more of stuff to feel grateful about. Isn't it amazing, guys? Obviously, because if I'm holding a thought of complaint, then definitely I put the demand into the universe like, okay, I want more, I would like to experience more of situations that will make me complain again. Are you getting my point? So the moment you hold the energy of a gratitude, you are telling the universe that I would like to experience more of those situations which would make me feel grateful, right? So that way you invite more appreciation, more support, more love, more money in your life. So that's how the practicing gratitude is really important. Those who selected this card, let's check the messages. Make a commitment. I'm holding this card here, guys, so that you can write it down, this prayer. This prayer will help you a lot at this point of time. This card is actually telling you that, guys, you need assurance of success even before you start your journey, but things doesn't happen that way. All right, you need to first commit, and this commitment happens at two levels. So let's talk about mental commitment first, and then I'll explain you action level commitment. So for example, if you want to reduce your weight and you want to join a particular class, and you're doubting, oh my god, but I don't know whether this class or this particular form of exercise will give me results or not. So this fear of failure actually stops you from taking action. This fear of failure or this energy of doubt will even make you feel stuck. So how about you telling clearly to the universe, okay, universe, I want to lose weight and I'm joining this class, and I want you to ensure that I'm getting 100% results. All right, and I'm getting 100% benefits from this class. So this is about mental level commitment. Now let's talk about action level commitment. So what happens sometimes, we promise to do many things, and and we fail to do it because of whatever reasons, and then we go on guilt trips, and we blame ourselves and everything. So how about you promising yourself only 3 things every day and actually doing it? So by doing that, you will understand the power of commitment. You will feel good about yourself. For example, for me, I ask this question to myself: what will make you feel happy, Charuta, in everyday life? So my answer is, okay, if I do yoga, yes, I'll feel happy, and if I read books, I'll definitely feel happy, and if I wake up at 6 o'clock, I'm gonna feel happy about myself. So I have promised only these 3 things, all right, to myself, and I ensure that I do it every day, all right, because that's a commitment. Okay, first, so what happens as a result? You start feeling good about yourself, and then you start getting results, all right. So that's the power of commitment, all right, guys. So I'm just again holding a card here. You can just read the prayer. Okay, I'll read it for you all. Archangel Michael, as the angel of courage and confidence, I call upon you to lend me your strength. Allow me to commit to myself, my life, and my divine purpose. Please clearly guide me so I can fully open my heart to every experience. Thank you. All those who selected this card, let's check the messages. Synchronicity, 87 number. Wow. So angels are telling you that, guys, there is no such thing as coincidence in life. There is no such thing as an accident in life. Everything happens for the reason, all right. And angels are in fact trying to make their presence known to you through arranging a series of incidences in your life, and so you must notice this synchronicity, all right. And whenever you notice, just express your gratitude, all right. Just say thank you, angels. Thank you for being with me, thank you for guiding me. Number 87, so you got 2 numbers like 8 and 7. So 8 number is related to money and abundance. So if you have been worrying about your financial situations, or if you have any lack mentality, or angels are actually telling you that do not worry, whatever you need will be given to you at right time, all right. All the resources will be provided to you, all right. So instead of worrying, pray more, ask for more money, ask for help, all right. Number 7 is related to spirituality and understanding life, life in general. And so how about you reading books on spirituality? How about you learning something about law of attraction? It will definitely help you. It will broaden your perspective about overall life, all right. So I feel that angels are actually telling you that you are on a right path, and you are on the path of abundance, but you need to just release your fears, all right. Whenever you feel fearful, angels definitely intervene, and they make their presence known to you by arranging synchronicity. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Do let me know in the comment section which card did you choose, and if this reading resonated or not. Also, do share this video with your friends and family members, and do subscribe to my channel because I would be uploading many more interesting videos. Thank you.